Fire alarm systems are required by code in schools across America, and if school intruders are just as much of a threat as fire emergencies, then how come special intruder emergency notification systems aren't required by code also in these high-profile buildings? The technology for these systems already exists right now. There's already companies out there that are professionally making and installing these systems. And I was able to make a mock one of these systems just right now in the garage using fire alarm control panels that are almost a dozen years old by now. As the threat continues to grow, I think there should be, and I think there is, a greater push to require these systems just like how we require fire alarm systems. Check this out. In one simple action, I can alert an entire campus with an emergency notification. Here we go.
Intruder in the area. Lockdown, lockdown, lockdown. Lockdown, lockdown, lockdown. Intruder in the area. Lockdown, lockdown, lockdown. Lockdown, lockdown, lockdown.
In a lot of school intruder emergencies, I noticed the fire alarm system can easily become activated, giving false signals and confusing the situation even further. Notice how when I activated that, the strobe on this alarm did not flash, because that could indicate a fire emergency since there's fire lettering on the alarm. So it was only audio going through the speaker circuits. And if you wanted to have a strobe flash, there can be special pieces that can be installed with alarms that can have a strobe available to flash if that is what is desired for the building. Anyways, I'm just trying to show that these systems could easily be integrated with a fire alarm system. Emergency notification systems have and will continue to save lives, which is why I have a passion and a strong interest for these systems, and why I have no problem sharing the full capabilities of these systems to anyone who wants to watch. If you agree with any of this, definitely give the video a like, share it, rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day, everyone.